Hennessey Performance fans, and welcome to another great video. We've got some Mopars in the mix today. I am driving a Hellcat Charger. Driving the Demon is Jason Haynes. He's our Director of R&D and Director of Calibrations.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today I am in the Dodge Demon. Over 800 horsepower from the factory, big blower, big air scoop, big power, big performance. Comes from the factory with a drag pack in a crate. It will pull a wheelie from the factory, and it is made to take on stuff, the world, essentially, and that's what Dodge made it for. But HPE has an answer for that. Hennessey Performance Engineering has an answer for that. The HPE 900 horsepower Charger is a new package that we've developed for those guys that want to keep the stock appearance when you pop the hood. But what you don't see is what we do inside the blower itself. We actually change the upper and the lower pulley. We do our fuel system upgrades to the vehicle, and also our custom HPE calibration and a warranty, you know, so you can have 900 horsepower and a warranty and take on demons. We're going to be doing essentially about 50 miles an hour from a roll race.
The Charger's on a super basic street tire, and the Demon is on the sticky nittos that it comes with. And we're on an unprepped surface, so let's see how it goes.
The results may surprise us, they may not. We'll see what happens. Putting it on the factory Demon. This is a package that you can daily drive. It'll still get great fuel economy. You can take the kids to soccer practice. You can take the wife out on a date night, but be packing 900 horsepower to take on the Dodge Demon. Thing again?
Yeah, let's do it again. Let's just try and get more even. See ya! Sorry dude, that Demon just got spanked.
This Demon is here to get our HPE 1000 package. So we're going to take the already big blower and we're going to put an even bigger blower on it, make it even more demonic. So we may be able to test this again after the HPE 1000 is installed and validated and tested.
Well, and there you have it, folks. The 900 horsepower Charger on street tires takes down the Demon on a roll race. The Demon was a one-track drag racing vehicle, although it's a fun cruiser. But the Hellcat is more of a street car. And if you can have your Hellcat compete with a Demon, that's pretty awesome. This Charger is performing phenomenally and it's ready to go back to the customer. We're really excited for him to get it back. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you have a Hellcat or a TRX, call us, we'll modify it, we'll give you a warranty. See you next time. Look at that guy over there. He's probably talking about all this technical tuning stuff and torque tables and advanced spark timing, all that mumbo jumbo. I just hit the gas pedal, you know? That's all I do.
Well, with the HPE 900 package, we do all the work for you. All you got to do is get in and drive, and you can spank demons on your own.
Boom, baby.